The reason why you have a harder time at the beginning is because of the effects of the cowardice of people around you. Understand that you have a potential which is quite obvious. A person can see future you as well as present you, and it is threatening. Now, a human being is not naturally brave. So, if they see that this is Zeus, but he's a baby, they may attempt to attack the baby. They may speculate on killing the baby. They may speculate on dissecting the baby, doing something weird to the baby because it's terrifying that you're Zeus. This is what's happening to you at the beginning of your career, the beginning of your stint in a workplace, or the beginning of, you know what I mean, anything. They won't get you at the end. They'll leave you and respect you once you are a full-grown adult, once you are a full Olympian. But I'll tell you what, you will notice things in the beginning that are actually just natural human fear. And if you're like me, you'll get spiteful about it. But if you're a better person than me, you'll realize that everyone should be like that, because everyone is afraid. All they're ever fed is fear-mongering news, you know, people exert control over them because of their own fears. It's a fear-driven world, right? So what you should do is you should forgive them. It's just, I'm not a good enough person, which has always been my character flaw, forgiveness. Hopefully you can be better than me. But if you do something weird to me, I'm going to remember this thing. All the way up until I'm an adult. And I don't know if it's an immaturity in me. No, it's definitely an immaturity in me. But you gotta grow out of immaturity, don't you? So I need to let myself grow out of it and not force myself to switch. You're supposed to forgive people for being afraid of you and behaving strangely, even attacking you for being afraid. Because that is the natural human state. Everyone should do that. Bad as it is, it's how you can tell they're human.